So we're gonna organize my gifts. Okay. So we're gonna organize my gift. My gift wrap. Okay. So we're gonna organize my gifts from Christmas, which is yesterday. Yesterday. First, this is done. Of course, this is the money. And we're gonna put it here. Look how thick it is. Look how thick it is. And kulang pa yan. Kulang pa yan. Ito pa. This is my favorite. Because it's so cute. So many. May laman pa pala to. That is my ampaws. That is my ampaws from my ninongs and nanangs and nanangs and kalangs and kalongs. Singkalings. So I'm organizing it from the biggest to smallest. So I'm gonna keep this because pang paswerte yan. And okay, so first, this is my Christmas gift number 1 from my bag. Christmas gift number 1 from my bag. From my bag. Christmas gift number 1 for my ninong. This is actually my birthday gift. Sinabay lang niya dito. So this and happy birthday nakalagay dito kasi sabi niya sabay na daw sa Pasko. So this is my Christmas gift and ito yung ano niya, ito yung ampaw niya. Ito yung ampaw nasa loob ng bag. So that's it, number 1. And yung mga laman neto is sinama-sama ko na siya rito. Alam ko kasi bakit ba? Six, seven on a very reason. 6, 7 on a very reason. 6, 7 on a very reason. Skibidi to here. Okay, so this is the Christmas gift number 1 and this is all of the ampaws. Ito yung mga ampaw, sinama-sama ko again. Ulitin natin, sinama ko dito lahat. So this is the coins that I have left before Christmas. Ito, bago mag-Christmas, may 200 pa ako. And this is left. 1 pesos, 2 pesos, 3 pesos, 4 pesos. That is my savings. So let's close this. Ayaw na niya ma-close. Kasi, bros, you know what? Yung coins, dito na lang. Dito na yung mga coins. Ma, di ba hindi siya sasara? Ito pala oh. Double-sided. So, yeah. Let's open it like that. And let's put it back. Let's open it like that. And let's put it back. So, this is the coins. This is the... Ito yung mga coins. Ito yung mga papel. Yes. This is the thick. This is all of the pounds. And gift number 1 again. And let's move on here. Okay, so first we have this Royal Christmas gift number 2. Christmas gift number 2. Bilang yan. Oh, yan. Girl. Hulaan nyo. Royal. Loyal sa Royal. Loyal sa kanya. Okay, let's open it. If I'm gonna wear this, I'm gonna put it like this. Because I don't like anyone to see it's royal. While I'm drinking Sprite, I'm gonna wear royal. Oh no. And now, you're protected from the rain. No, I don't want it. But it's cute. But I don't want it. But it's... nah, I like it. Masira ang plastic. Wow, ang galing. Ang galing ko talaga. The bags is a royal bag. Ma, I'm not gonna wear that. Royal. Shopping in the Merry Business. Wrong way. Kulang pa yan. May mga nagtatago pa. So, from my brother's girlfriend, yung regalo ng girlfriend ng kuya ko is eto. Kailangan ko tanggalin yung cellphone ko kasi nakadikit siya sa case. So eto, matagal na to, wala pa yung Pasko. Eto, sa mama ko, regalo ng mama ko. And this is, eto yung regalo sa akin ng girlfriend ng kuya ko. So, Beanie. Ito, nakuha ko si Joanna. And etong Nika, Etong Mika is nakuha ko sa notebook spiral, which is makikita nyo mamaya. Ito yung isa pa, si Sheena. Ito, nakuha ko ulit sa notebook spiral. Makikita nyo ulit siya mamaya. And let's put it back. Wait, I'm gonna put it back here. Di ko siya na-post. So, if you guys see it, na-post ko ba? Hindi. Kasi I think di ko siya na-post. Nakita ko kasi siya. 6, 7, natamad na. So guys, if nasa ano na to, 12 minutes, pa-part 2 ko na lang kasi hindi siya ma-upload kapag 15 minutes pataas. So, ito na nga, nandito na tayo, diba? Yung sa nasa Lomo card na tayo. So, dito ko siya nakuha. So, first, ito is this from my Christmas party namin sa school. And ito is Beanie. Ito matagal na yan. Super Crunch. Matagal na rin yan. And ito sa kuya ko to, kaya okay lang. So, ito sa akin. Representing Aya, Colette, Maloy, Gwen, Stacy, Mika, Joanna, and pinakabunso, Sheena. And kung makikita nyo to, is yung Payless Beanie. Matagal na yan. And kung kita nyo yan, it's Ruka. Si Ruka, guys. Nakuha ko siya sa Baby Monster. And regalo din to ng girlfriend ng kuya ko. And ito, matagal na yan. Matagal na rin yan. Mikaya. And ito, Super Crunch. So, kung napapansin nyo, ay wala yung Sterling Beanie na Lomo card kasi nga nandito nga siya sa photo card holder. Ha? Photo card holder. Kakasabi ko lang. Kakasabi ko lang na nandito lang lahat yun. Ayan nga, o si Mika, makulit. Ayan kasi, ayan, hindi kasi nakikinig. So, that's it. And ito pa. So, ito yung photocard. Ito yung photocard holder. Ito yung unang photocard holder ko, which is nung 23 ko pa siya binuksan. Kasi sabi, buksan ko na. Dito ko nakuha si Sheena. So, naka-check si Sheena dyan kasi nakuha ko na. And eto, bumili din ng eraser. Nakuha ko si Joanna. So, that time, itong dalawa palang binuksan ko. Pahina. So, that time, ito pa lang yung binuksan ko. So, ito nakuha ko, tsaka si Sheena. So, ang pangalawa naman is, ito, dito ko nakuha si Joanna. That's why may check si Joanna, tsaka si Sheena kasi nakuha ko nga eh. Sabi lang. Okay, part 2 kasi 40 minutes na. Bye! Bye-bye!